credit question of the day. Why can't I fix my credit inside of 30 days? Well, guys, let's break it down. I'm going to give you kind of a generic response, then I'm going to jump into the details. The generic response is, let's say you have 10 collections. Let's say you've been burdened in debt. Let's say you have derogatories from the last 7 years. This took years and years and years for this bad credit situation to evolve, and for us to get this stuff fixed, for us to budget the money, for us to deal with the finances and everything. It's not going to be an overnight thing. Could a small credit issue be fixed within a couple of days by making a phone call? Yeah, of course. Those are the one-off scenarios, but that's not our typical file, okay? Also, keep in mind, the basic investigation cycle is typically going to take about 45 days. This is for you to just challenge something, and I'll just quickly diagram it for you behind me, okay? So let's say we went ahead and we sent a dispute letter to TransUnion Credit, okay? And we challenged one of the derogatory marks on the credit report. TransUnion's going to open up that investigation, and they will then, in turn, send that dispute over to the creditor, okay? We got a 30-day window between when the creditor has to respond back to TransUnion, that investigation cycle, okay? So we got 30 days right here. We got 30 days, guys, just in here, okay? So keep that in mind. And then once that investigation cycle is over, they're going to go ahead. Either they're going to delete the mark, they're going to mark the item as fixed, they're going to confirm the mark, let's say it hasn't been removed, if that's the case, okay, then they're going to prepare and send you a confirmation. They're going to actually mail it to you. They're going to send it right to your mailbox, okay. This is you, happy as can be, okay, jumping for joy, just because maybe you just got something deleted, okay, and they're going to send it to your inbox or your mailbox showing you that the item's been removed. This entire cycle typically takes from beginning to end about 45 days. That includes mailing. So you want to allot that amount of time just for one cycle of disputes. Now, let's say you challenge 10 items, okay? 4 of them are removed. Fantastic, right? That's a huge net positive. But 6 are still there that you're still questioning. And you want to go ahead and submit rebuttals. You have the ability to do so. You want to do a follow-up. That could take another 45 days. What I tell clients is this is a long-term process. You're going to get your quick wins in the credit repair, which is usually the quick, easier items that are going to come off the credit report, the obvious things. You're going to get your quick wins from the tips that we give you, whether it's how to deal with your credit utilization, opening up accounts, closing out accounts, whatever we're going to advise you on. But then you're going to have those longer term wins that are going to come over 90 days, 6 months, 9 months, a year, and then even items or changes that are going to happen beyond a year, which are typically not things that we're working on, things that we're advising you on. So again, think sprint or think marathon, not sprint when you're dealing with credit repair. Thanks, guys. Nick Zugalis, Key Credit Repair. Have a great day.